Hi, I'm Angelo. I'm working for FutureWorks teams at innovation arm of MAS Holdings.
I'm Janmi. I handle clinical and regulatory work for Spring.
We were in the process of identifying new adjacencies for MAS Holdings. One of the areas that we looked at was health and wellness.
We were looking at providing a novel solution towards circulation enhancement into the market. And that is when we sort of evaluated what are the computer products out there and what are the associated drawbacks with those products. And based on that, we sort of identified what are the pain points and what are the consumer jobs needed to be done. And based on that, only we started developing Spring. It is important that you build at least a very I would say a proof of concept, which is it will be quick and dirty, but it's important that you have at least like some sort of a prototype to understand the technology readiness level of your idea. And also it makes the process of IP easier, like even like for the corporate IP team to understand your idea rather than you just verbally explaining it. So once you get to that stage, you then understand what more effort, time and money you need to spend on your idea to make it commercially viable. So based on that, you can then decide if your idea is worth pursuing or not. When it comes to IP, patent is not the only IP type you get to see in the industry. There's also trade secrets, trademarks and also copyrights.
Then you got to go and do a little bit of desktop research to see whether that idea is already out there before you kind of going into the prototyping phase. That way you can actually save some time before you kind of further developing that idea to see whether that idea is out there before even going into the patentability search.
You need to make sure you have done all the groundwork because first impression is really important, and sometimes you might get just one chance to pitch your product to consumers.
So for the Spring product, we targeted the sports population, sports consumer. So it took around 2.5 years actually from the first consumer launch to all the way to the launching of the website process. There are consumer problems that you are solving that you identify during your scoping time. Those are the areas that you need to look at, because sometimes as tech entrepreneurs we look at developing a technology, but it's not all about developing a technology, it's like you are solving a real problem. So that's key. There has to be some benefits when you are developing a technology.